start your elapsed time problem, begin by reading the problem and then figuring out if you're given the start, elapsed, or end times and which one you're solving for. Miss Steck got up at 6:30. She ate breakfast, got ready, and went to work. She arrived at 8:15. How long did it take her to get ready? Well, she got up at 6:30. That's going to be your start time. So she got ready and arrived at 8:15. Well, she arrived there, that's going to be your end time. So we're trying to figure out, in this case, the elapsed time. Set up your timeline. You're given the start time of 6:30, and you have to figure out how to get to your end time of 8:15. I always like to start by figuring out how many hours I can put on before going past my end time of 8:15. So some people might like to do more than 1 hour at a time, but I'm going to do one because that's what makes sense to me. 6:30 plus an hour would be 7:30. So now if I look at 7:30, if I add another hour, it's going to be 8:30. Well, that's too far, so another hour won't work. I'm going to look at what it would take to get to the next hour from the time I'm at 7:30. The next hour would be 8. Well, to get from 7:30 to 8, that's a half hour. So I am going to add 30 minutes. I make sure to label what I'm adding so I know that this one goes with hours, this 30 goes with minutes, and I put down the time I'm at so I don't lose track of what time. So from 7:30 plus 30 minutes, I'm at 8 o'clock. Now I need to get from 8 to 8:15. Well, if you start at the hour, you have to add 15 minutes to get to 8:15. So plus 15 minutes. So now I'm at my end time. I just have to put all my elapsed times together to figure out the total elapsed time. Well, I have an hour, 30 minutes plus 15 minutes. Well, if I do 30 plus the 15, it'll give me 45 minutes. So the elapsed time in this case is 1 hour, 45 minutes. If it had been over 60 minutes, you would have then had to calculate another hour to add on.